Welcome back. The stripping is all about done, ladies and gentlemen. And isn't she beautiful, eh? Doesn't it look great? But I guess, what's next? What's next? Wouldn't you like to know? I've stripped it. Now it's time to smoke it, baby. Big time. You might be asking, hey, are you being for real? Yeah, I'm being for real. I've never been more serious about anything in my life. It needs to give off an odor. You know, I want people to walk in the room and think, okay, this guy's on for some serious business. You know, I want this to be elite. That's why I'm smoking it, you know. Got to get it all musky and raw, yeah? Think about the greatest, you know, pieces of wooden furniture in history, yeah? Bill Clinton's desk, right? How many eggs did he crack on that? Monica Lewinsky? Oh, yeah? I'm for real. And you know, this is the first time I've ever done this, so there were things that I didn't know, and there's a couple of things that I'd do differently. Just the stripping. I'd do the top last, I reckon. Do all the other bits before. But I had a little trouble with the sides. It was real warm today, and the sun was beaming down on it on one side. I don't know if it bleached it or something, but it dried out a little part of the side real quick, so I had to go over it again with some stripper, but damn, man, I hope it's not ruined. I did the top first, like I was saying, right? And yeah, I put the wood on top without any toilet paper at first, but even when I did put the toilet paper on it, some of the stripper dripped down onto it, and it was kind of sat there for a little bit too long, so it's kind of gone a little bit dark around those areas, which I'm not too pleased about, if I'm going to be honest. So I'm going to punish myself for that. I'm going to starve myself for a couple of days, and maybe I'll learn my lesson. But next, after I've smoked it real good, I think it'll be time to maybe have a look for some legs, and then put some varnish back on it, baby. And I don't know whether I'm going to oil it or whether I'm going to just varnish it or whether I'm going to keep it like this. I think I'm going to have to do something because it stains real easy. So I've got to go pick out some varnish. But yeah, it looks good. It looks real good. So it's the day after, and I have claimed a little bit of varnish from B&Q. And I went for clear satin instead of gloss because... just because. I'm not really sure why I did it. I just thought, I don't want it all shiny and shit. I just want it nice and, you know, neutral. That's why I went for that. But before I varnish it, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of sandpaper and lick it all up real good. Now you can see all the front and the drawers. How good does that look? I remember a little lady in the shorts comments saying that I'm a bit of an idiot for stripping it with varnish remover. I'm sorry, but looks like I've done a pretty good job, babe. So I'm just going to hit it with some sandpaper and get it all ready for the next phase, which is varnishing it, right? I've ordered some legs that I'm going to put on it, and I hope it's going to be alright, because I guess I'm just going to have to drill through the bottom and hope that it can take the weight. It's a big old thing. But I wanted stainless steel legs, right, because I bought that lamp for this table. I wanted it kind of to match up, right, with this stainless steel lamp. Right, soldiers, I think that's about it. Doesn't she look great? Haven't I done a fucking good job, yeah? Next episode, legs, varnish, and sex. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you on the streets.